heart health. The American Heart Association has appointed Lindsay Ashley, Chief Financial Officer for Center for Neuroskills, as the community volunteer chairperson for our upcoming Heart and Stroke Walk. Now, that isn't until the fall, but Lindsay's already hard at work promoting heart health across our community, which we know is a big priority because we do have a problem with heart disease in Kern County. Lindsay, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it.
Of course. Happy to be here.
So tell us a little bit about why it's so important here in Kern County to talk about this year-round, not just Heart Month in February, not just in October when the Heart and Stroke Walk is.
Sure. So heart disease and stroke are our #1 and #5 leading indicators for death in the U.S. And right here in Kern County, we do have an issue with heart disease, stroke, and also being able to provide CPR for those that are in need when challenges arise. So the American Heart Association is here to raise awareness, raise funds for cardiovascular research, to enable hospitals to be able to perform at the highest level of care, and really to help promote a healthy lifestyle.
What can we do today, starting today as we go into these summer months, to help our heart health and brain health?
Sure. So what is recommended is that about 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise, or potentially 75 minutes of vigorous exercise per week is highly recommended. So that's going out and getting a walk, going for a run, a bike ride, just anything to kind of calm your mind. That helps reduce the risk of disease. It helps promote healthy bones and muscles. It reduces the chances for depression, and it really helps with the overall cognitive function.
You guys, that's 2.5 hours a week.
Right.
Can you find 2.5 hours a week? I challenge you to take a look at, screen time, because it's something we're all guilty of, and those minutes add up, and I bet you could find 2.5 hours a week to fit in.
Absolutely.
Of exercise. And it's going to benefit you in so many ways: physical health, mental health, all of the above.
Absolutely.
All right, so you can start doing that today, but then we want to get teams together, and we want to make sure that this walk is bigger and better than ever in October.
Absolutely. So the walk's taking place on Saturday, October 11th. It's going to be at Cal State Bakersfield. And we are really encouraging people right now to think about forming a team or joining a team that has already been formed. Many businesses around town are starting to form teams, as well as individuals. I believe your very own Alyssa Carlson also is forming a team. And so we really just encourage to be aware, form teams, start fundraising, and let's make this the biggest event we can.
It's a fun walk and event. I'm excited. We're going to be back at CSUB this year, so it's going to be a great time. It's always a really nice morning out there.
Absolutely.
It's like that fall morning air where you need a light jacket at the beginning, and then it's just really nice. You can peel it off for the actual walk portion. So again, that is not until October 11th, but we have time now to get started on fighting heart disease and stroke.
Absolutely. And it's a family-friendly event.
Yes.
So please think about bringing out your children, your mother, your father, your pets. All are welcome.
All right, BakersfieldHeartWalk.com to learn more and register. Lindsay, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
All right, your time is 6:27. We'll be right back.